Hello students, here is the problem. It's a good one. ये एडवांस के लिए काफ़ी अच्छा प्रॉब्लम है जो कि पहले इंटरनेशनल फिजिक्स ओलंपियाड में भी आया हुआ है 1996 में. थर्मोडाइनमिक्स हीट से रिलेटेड है. सो आप पॉज करके सॉल्व कीजिए. उसके बाद मैं सोल्यूशन इस पर देता हूँ, आप देख सकते हो. सो इट रीड्स a thermally insulated piece of metal is heated under atmospheric pressure by an electric current so that it receives electric energy at a constant power P. So कितना उसको power मिलता है, that is constant P. Further it says this leads to an increase of the absolute temperature T of metal with time T as shown in the following way. So this is the expression जिससे उसका temperature rise करने वाला है. यहाँ पर A, T naught, capital T naught, these are constants. Determine the heat capacity Cp of metal, temperature dependent in the temperature range of the experiment. So basically एक metal piece है which is receiving a constant power and its temperature is changing like this. We need to find out the heat capacity of that metal. So we can proceed like this. First we need to recall the definition of heat capacity. So we know heat capacity is defined as dq by dt. And it is constant pressure, so it is at atmospheric pressure, so pressure remains constant and we are using metal. So this will be Cp as well, that means constant pressure heat capacity, which is dq by dt. Now you could rewrite this as dq by dt into 1 upon dt by dt. So this first term is the rate of heat flow, and which is given us as this is constant power, so this is going to be power which is a constant one. And dt by dt, this is going to be the rate of change of temperature, जिसकी वैल्यू हम लोग यहाँ से कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. So basically this is P and this can be calculated using this expression. So it becomes a straightforward question, no much complexity involved. So we can say this is basically P divided by dt by dt. Now the point is how to get dt by dt. So let's consider this and differentiate it. So directly अगर differentiate करें, so ये बन जाएगा dt divided by dt, differentiation of temperature over the time. So you will find T naught is a constant. Differentiation of this term will be used. So मैं directly differentiate कर दे रहा हूँ. ये आएगा 1 plus a t minus t naught whole raised to power. It's behaving like x raised to power n. So you'll find this is going to be n minus 1. That means 1 by 4 minus 1 could be written directly as minus 3 by 4. और ये जो n है ये फॉरवर्ड भी आएगा, so 1 by 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो t by 4 हो जाएगा. Then there will be chain rule. You need to differentiate this as well to and multiply it. So 1 का differentiation will become 0. A will remain A. T will be 1. T naught will be 0. That's a constant. So ultimately, this could be simplified like this. So let's make it more simpler. This will be like A. यहाँ से A निकल के आ रहा होगा. And T naught divided by 4. Within bracket 1 plus A T minus T naught raised to power minus 3 by 4. ना ये टी का फंक्शन है, हम लोग चाहेंगे तो इसको रिप्लेस करेंगे. हम इसकी वैल्यू यहाँ से कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. सो फ्रॉम दैट ओरिजिनल एक्सप्रेशन, सो वी कैन राइट लाइक दिस कि इससे इधर एक बाउंड्री लगाते हैं और लिखते हैं वहाँ से 1 प्लस ए विद इन ब्रैकेट टी माइनस टी नॉट raised to power 1 by 4. This value turn out to be t divided by t naught. So इसको माइनस पावर कर देंगे तो ये अपसाइड डाउन हो जाएगा, राइट. सो दिस कुड बी रिटन एज 1 plus a t minus t naught whole raised to power minus 1 by 4 is equal to T naught by T. ये पावर 3 by 4 है with a minus sign, so we can say इस क्यूब, so इसका क्यूब करेंगे then we will find कि this इसका वैल्यू अपने को मिल जाएगा. So ultimately you will be finding it's going to be like a T naught divided by 4, and that is T naught divided by T raised to power 3, which could be written as a T naught raised to power 4 divided by 4 times T cube. ये dt by dt आ गया जिसकी ज़रूरत अपने को यहाँ पर है, so we can substitute there. So finally we will find the Cp is equal to 4 times p t raised to power 3 divided by a t naught raised to power 4. So that will become the final expression for the answer. So this is how we can say Cp, that is heat capacity at constant pressure for the metal that the question was asking, we are able to calculate. The 4 p t to power 3 divided by a t naught power 4. और अब देखो ये कांस्टेंट टर्म्स के में है और टेम्परेचर पर डिपेंडेंट है, बिकॉज इस आस्किंग कि आपको टेम्परेचर डिपेंडेंट बताइए, सो इट्स डिपेंडेंट ऑन द टेम्परेचर. सो दैट्स आवर फाइनल रिस्पॉन्स. थैंक यू.